In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Notion page with others. By the end, you'll confidently invite the right people to your page and control exactly what they can do. First, open the Notion page you want to share. Look to the top right of the page for the share button. Depending on your theme, it may show the word share or an arrow style icon. Click it to open the sharing panel. This panel is where you control who has access and what level of permission they receive. In the invite field, start typing the email address of the person you want to add. Notion will suggest people from your workspace if they're already members, but you can also enter any valid email for external collaborators. As you type, take a moment to choose the appropriate permission from the dropdown beside their name. Can view for read-only access, can comment for feedback without edits, can edit for direct changes, or full access if you trust them to manage sharing and page settings. When sharing a database or project hub, limit edits to teammates who truly need it to protect structure and data integrity. You can add more than one person here by entering each email one after another. Once everything looks right, click Invite. Notion immediately adds them to the page's people list and sends a notification to their email or in-app inbox. After you invite someone, double-check the list within the same sharing panel to confirm their name and permission are correct. If you ever need to adjust access or remove someone, return to this panel, change their permission from the dropdown, or revoke it entirely. If the recipient can't find the invite, ask them to refresh Notion and check their email's spam or promotions folder. 2 quick notes for smooth collaboration. If your workspace has strict admin controls, you may need the right role to invite external guests. And remember that comments and page history can reveal sensitive information, so choose the least privileged permission that still lets people do their work. If you're coordinating with a large group, consider inviting a few key editors and letting everyone else view or comment to keep things organized. That's it. Click Share, type the email with the right permission, and click Invite. With those 3 actions, your Notion page is securely shared and you stay in control of who can see and change your content.